Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're gonna see how to install Ansible on Oracle Linux 8.8. The Ansible platform is a open source IT automation and configuration management platform developed by Red Hat that uses human-readable YAML template to automate repetitive tasks. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the below command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to update the DNF package repository cache with the below command. Next, I am going to enable the REPL repository, install the REPL release package with the below command. Give yes. Next, I am going to update the DNF package repository cache again with the below command. Next, I am going to install Ansible by using the below command. Give yes. Next, I am going to check the Ansible version by using the below command. The Ansible version is 2.9. Next, open your /etc/host file and add the following by using the below command. Enter IP. Save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to generate ssh key dot copy this created ssh key for another remote server. Enter. 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 Yes. After order the SSH key without any SSH password, you can enable to access from remote server. Check the IP. Next, run the below command with the password for login user. Next, exit from the remote server. Next, create a new Ansible project directory and then navigate to Ansible directory. Next, you can add the group server by using the below command. Enter the following commands. Save and exit from the file. Next, also list and ping the host single group as well by using the below command. Next, install the Apache web server on web server group by using the below command. Apache web server is installed. This is the process to install and configure Ansible on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.